We have a mystery bike here. Nobody seems to be able to identify it. It just says Champ Scrambler 200. We imagine that's 200cc. And the only thing we found out is got a Czechoslovakian carburetor, and crankcase looks like CZ or Jawa, but we're not sure. I'll go around the other side. I don't know if you can see that there. That's great, Leo. Crankcase definitely looks Czechoslovakian, and must be one of the first disc brakes there, cable operated. But we've all been a long time with motorbikes and we can't identify this one. Maybe someone out there will know what it is, with any luck.
We think it came from Spain.
Hmm?
It came in from Spain.
It's a nice looking enough little bike. It came, this is Ireland it's residing in now, but it came from France. And evidently there's a blue one of them out there as well, but we can't get any information on that. It's got a left foot kickstart, left foot gear change. It's very, very strange. Everything weather's got at it, but that won't matter. Quick release seat. I hope there's someone out there can identify it. Bound to be someone. Hopefully. There's no name on the electrics to help identify it. We've searched high and low and find nothing. We're at it, there's the graveyard of the Honda 50s. A fine selection. They tell me there's a breeding pair in there somewhere, but I don't know.